Welcome back. Yeah, I know it's been a while and this build has been recorded 1 month ago, probably, and finally I was able to edit and upload this video. Yeah. So basically I just finished my second semester in year 1 and now I'm having a 2 months break before my third semester in year 2. Hashtag UniLife. Without further ado, today I will build another custom keyboard that I got from Epomaker. So here are all the parts that I'll be using for today's build. First we have the Echo CS Radiant Red switches. For the keycaps, I'll be using the Epomaker's keycaps, the Kitty with XDA profile PBT die subs. For the barebone kits, I'll be using the Epomaker Minicat 64. So let's unbox the keyboard and see what is inside the box. First, you will be getting this USB Type-C cable, which is not braided, so that's very unfortunate. Then you will get the keyboard itself. So let's talk about the keyboard, shall we? The Epomaker Minicat 64. This keyboard is a 60% layout and it has 64 keys. If you know me well, you know I don't like the 64 keys layout. Why? For me it seems to be clustered. This keyboard is a stacked acrylic keyboard and this is my first time building it. I'm so interested in how it sounds like compared to the plastic case keyboard and the aluminum keyboard. Will it talk though? Well, we'll find out later. For the keyboard, it used 6 acrylics and it's quite thick. Like, hey yo, what? Despite being acrylic, it might diffuse the RGB pretty good, to be honest, I guess. And there's the famous bongo cat on the top of the keyboard. This keyboard kinda reminds me of her. Yeah, a bit sus, right? I don't know what I'm talking about. Now let's open up the keyboard and let's do some in-depth review. Before that, we're almost at 1k subs though. I decided to make a Q&A special video if this channel reach 1k subs soon. And yeah, I did post something on my community tab, so if you guys have any questions, just ask me there and I will answer it in the video sooner. So yeah, stay tuned. The keyboard plate is really flexy though, because it is made from PC materials. Woo, would you look at that flex? Damn. Underneath the PC plate, you will get this white plate foam as well. For the PCB, unfortunately it still has the north facing LED, but on the bright side though, you can use any screw-in stabs instead of using the stock plate mounted stabs provided by the Epomaker. It is a hot swap PCB with Kwoall hot swap socket and yeah, no soldering needed, so that's a good thing, right? For the stock plate mounted stabs, it is completely dry, like my DMs and like her feelings towards me, so if you don't have the screw-in stabs, you can just use this one and lube it, holy modded it, and tune it for better sounding stabs, right? Now let us put all the stocks Echo Radiant Reds and put the Epomaker's Kitty keycaps on the keyboard. Well, this is my first time using the XDA profile keycaps, so let's see how it feels like to type on it. it's quite meh, but can we make it way better than stock? So for the modding, I'll be using the IXPE switchpad for mumbly sound, Crytox loop for the switches and stabs. So yeah, so let's do some magic trick. Magic. For the stabs, I'll be using the screw-in stabs that I have is the C3 Equalize V3 that is already being tuned and looped. Now let's put all of the stabs onto the PCB. So how have you guys been doing lately? Is it good? Is it great? If it's not, well, it's okay. Me too. Lately, I've been dragged with my own emotions and yeah, I do cry it all out though. I know it hurts so much sometimes, but maybe there's a reason for that, you know? I do feel alone sometimes. When you guys are down, I was there, but when it's my turn, you guys choose to be silent. Thank you for that. Thank you for making me the strongest person that I can be. I force myself to, to do some workout every day, and I do see some major difference when I was before, and yeah, I like how I improve more into my mental health right now. So yeah, thank you for that. Wait, why I'm talking about this? So if you guys are good, hopefully you guys doing good. So yeah, I love you guys. Really, really, I love you guys. So there's a few cons before you buy this keyboard. This is all based on my first impressions, experience, and personal thoughts. So trigger warning, opinion warning. So yeah, aesthetically it's pretty good, but acoustic wise, it didn't sound so pleasing to me. But you'll be the judge on that one. Okay. Next will be the typing angle. It's kind of flat and too low for me. I prefer the typing angle on my Tofu 60 compared to the Epomaker Minicat 64. Plus, the XDA profile makes my typing a bit slower than usual because, like I said, I have never used XDA profile before. Maybe I'll get used to it sooner. Like I said, the typing angle is on the low side, and I wish Epomaker did include maybe like two separated adjustable feet like what Echo did to their latest keyboard lineup. That is pretty awesome if they do that. So yeah, that's it. Do I recommend you guys to buy this keyboard? Well, it's quite tough though. But to be honest, I was not gonna buy this keyboard if I were you. But if you want to buy this as well, because of the Bongo Cat design, just go ahead and buy it. Tune it, loop it, use different switches, use different keycaps. It would be sound better than mine. do a little bit of mod effort on mod. So yeah, I think that's it for me. See you guys next time. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace.